So today, everybody, I would like you to know Teacher Nika. Introducing Teacher Nika.
Oh no! Where are my books?
Okay, and we're going to help her by asking a friend. We need a friend. Sino kaya yung kaibigan natin na makakatulong sa atin pag may mga hinahanap tayo? Okay. Okay, listen to Dora and Boots.
Amigas, today we will be practicing the German. Forgot where my things are and doesn't know where to find them. Will you help us find them? And listen.
Oh no, Teacher Nico is really worried.
And ask our friends for help. But first, let's check with map. Say map.
Say map!
Say map.
Okay, what is the answer? The answer is letter Next.
And lastly, let's find your map. Thanks to your help, Teacher Nika found all our missing things. You found the things exact where you said they were. Now, I've learned not to be forgetful.
What is the verb? Do not answer me in chorus. What is the verb there? Or what is the action word? Yes, Marian. I'm asking, what is the action word there? Yes, John Micah. Left. Iniwan. Okay, ang tanong ko, saan iniwan? Where? Yes, Katrina. Inside the library. But what is the adverbs of place? Yung isa lang. Very good.